drop out. To leave school or a program. He dropped out of college to start a business. She dropped out because she couldn't afford tuition. Pull over. To stop a car at the side of the road. The police told us to pull over for a check. I pulled over to answer a phone call safely. Go after. To try to get something. He's going after his dream of becoming a doctor. Go after what you really want in life. Wrap up. To finish something. Let's wrap up the meeting by 5 p.m. He wrapped up his work and left early. Drop by. To visit someone casually. Feel free to drop by anytime. He dropped by with some snacks last night. Catch up on. To do something you missed. I need to catch up on sleep this weekend. She's catching up on her reading before the exam. Pass by. To go past something or someone. I saw him pass by my house this morning. We passed by the bakery and bought some cake. Put up with. To tolerate or accept something bad. I can't put up with that noise anymore. She puts up with a lot, but never complains. Stick to. To keep doing something. She sticks to her workout routine every day. If you stick to your plan, you'll see results. Get through. To manage a difficult situation. She got through the hard times with her friend's help. I don't know how I'll get through this exam. Go over. To review or discuss something. Let's go over the plan one more time. We went over our notes before the test. Blow up. To explode or get very angry. The tire blew up on the highway. She blew up when she heard the bad news. Speak out. To say something openly and clearly. She spoke out against bullying at school. Don't be afraid to speak out if something feels wrong. Hold on to. To keep something or not let it go. Hold on to your bag in the crowd. I still hold on to that letter from my childhood. Put away. To return something to its place. Please put away your clothes after washing. The kids didn't put away their toys. Go out with. To date someone. She's been going out with her boyfriend for 2 years. I used to go out with someone from my class. Let in. To allow someone to enter. Please let me in, it's cold outside. He knocked until they let him in. Throw away. To put something in the trash. Don't throw away that bottle. Recycle it. She threw away all the old papers. Come down with. To get sick. I came down with a cold yesterday. She came down with the flu and stayed home. Check in with. To ask or update someone. Check in with your teacher before leaving. She checked in with me to see how I was feeling. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.